Are you looking for the best single electric burner for cooking? With all the products available on the market, the process of finding the right single electric burner can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you, we've researched and tested many of the most popular products. With a lightweight and compact design, Elite Gourmet ESB-300X single electric hot burner is ideal for most people. It has control knobs that let you adjust the heat on each burner independently. Choose from 3 different heat settings. The lightweight and compact design make for easy portability and storage. Additional features include a heating element that lifts up for easy cleaning of the chrome drip pan. It's perfect when you need an extra heat source for holiday cooking and entertaining, or simply use it to keep food warm at a buffet station. Here are the specifications of this great product. Here's why we believe this model stands out from the rest. And this is our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.